Hello students, welcome in 12 computer science. Students, we started with the chapter 1 operating system from 12th standard computer science. In this chapter we completed 4 sessions. Now today's session means next topic is device driver and video terminal. Okay, in today's session I am going to explaining device driver and VDU terminal. These two topics carry 6 marks in board exam. So let us start with this topic. Now first see device driver. You know device. Device means it may be input device, output device. Okay. Device driver is known as hardware driver. Device driver is known as hardware driver. I hope you all are knowing when laptop PC are formatted. After that means after formatting PC or laptop, when you are installing operating system, in that operating system means operating system update the operating system, you need device drivers. You need device driver. What is this device driver? Device driver are software program required for each device. Means for every input or output device, it require a related device driver for that device. So device driver is a software program. And how to install it? After updating operating system, you need device driver stored in the operating system. According to hardware, means something there will be a coding which is inserted or saved in your laptop. Okay, means according to hardware. Suppose keyboard is a hardware, monitor is a hardware. Something there will be a coding which is inserted or saved in your laptop or PC. Okay, student, with a CD. Due to this device driver code, you can open your file, close your file, process your file, execute your code, etc. etc. Any type of operation you can do. Means it's a coding. Device driver, it's a coding which will help you can do something on your PC. Means due to this device driver, you can do any type of operation on your PC or laptop. For example, motherboard. All of you know motherboard. Motherboard is a very important part. Means all circuits installed on your motherboard in PC. Means motherboard म्हणजे मदरबोर्ड ज्या कंपनीचा आहे दे गिव्ह यू CD विथ दॅट कंपनी. मीन्स ज्या कंपनीचा मदरबोर्ड त्याच कंपनीचं कोडिंग तुम्हाला लॅपटॉपवर किंवा पर्सनल कम्प्युटरवर सेव्ह करावं लागतं. मीन्स थ्रू दिस CD device driver coding stored. Through this CD you can store device driver coding in program files. After that you can do any kind of working. म्हणजे जेव्हा तुम्ही न्यू कम्प्युटर परचेस करता, त्या परचेस केल्यावर त्याच्याबरोबर आपल्याला ज्या ड्रायव्हरच्या CD येतात, मग इट मे बी कीबोर्ड, इट मे बी मदरबोर्ड, इट मे बी माऊस, इट मे बी मॉनिटर, प्रत्येक CD आपल्याला त्यावर इन्स्टॉल करावी लागते. इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज डिव्हाइस ड्रायव्हर CD और डिव्हाइस ड्रायव्हर प्रोग्राम. जर तुम्ही त्या CD इन्स्टॉल केल्या नाही तर तुमचे हार्डवेअर कंपोनंट्स वर्क होत नाहीत. मग हे कधी करायचं? पहिल्यांदा तुम्ही ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टीम अपलोड केल्यावर डिव्हाइस ड्रायव्हर त्यावर अपलोड करायचा. ह्या CD थ्रू प्रत्येक डिव्हाइसचा ड्रायव्हर त्यामध्ये लोड करायचा. हा कुठे स्टोअर होतो? प्रोग्राम फाईलमध्ये. मग एकदा सगळे ड्रायव्हर स्टोअर केल्यानंतर तुम्ही कोणत्याही टाईपचं वर्किंग यू कॅन डू एनी टाईप ऑफ वर्किंग. अंडरस्टूड स्टुडंट? Means each special subroutine was written for each IO device. Such a subroutine is called device driver. Now A device driver knows how the buffers, flags, register, control and status bits should be used for particular device. Means internal hardware functionality knows device driver because of coding. Means each device have a separate coding for that hardware. So it knows how the buffers, flags, register or status bits for the particular device. Each different type device has its own driver. Means according to the functionality, each device should be a different driver. Example, motherboard required same motherboard company. Which motherboard company you have purchased, that company give you a CD and install that CD on your PC. Okay, so each different type device has its own driver. For simply reading a character from device involves complex sequence of device specific operation. Specific operation means some device driver, means here reading a character from your device. Means suppose you want to read a simple file, then for that complex sequence of code is there, means very lengthy coding for that, in device driver. So we can't write coding every time, so we are using device driver at one time. Device driver install all coding. Means simple file, you want to read simple file, for that reading simple file lengthy coding is available, for necessary to that read a simple file. So we can't write coding every time. Okay, so device driver at one time install that coding, and whatever you read or many times, device driver are install all coding. Rather than writing the code every time, the device driver was used from library. Means device driver programs or software stored in program files. Where it is stored? In program files. So only coding is running through this program file. Means our file is open, closed, processed, execute a program, whatever you want to do, we can do. Okay, understood student? Rather than writing the code every time, the device driver was used for library. Device driver program, where it is stored? In program files. So only coding is running through this program files. Means our file is open, close file, process file, execute file, whatever we want to do, we can do through this device driver. Understood student? Okay, means some device driver is useful for data conversion. This facility is also available in some device driver. And in device driver, it is a group of files. What is device driver? It is a group of files. It is a software program. Means this is a group of files. What is the function of this file? What is the function of this software device driver? This file communicate between hardware and operating system. This file or the software communicate between hardware and operating system, and operation can be established. Understood student? What is device driver? Device driver is a software program. Every device means IO device. You know IO device. I means input device, O means output device. For example, keyboard, monitor or motherboard, whatever, printer, these are all device parts. Okay. So for each device should be a device programs. Okay, or that device program install on your PC or laptop. After that you can do any type of operation through this device driver. Understood student? So This question is asked in exam for 3 marks. Now next topic is terminal IO or visual display unit. It is also called as visual display unit. What is VDU? VDU is common input output medium. VDU is common input output medium. Okay, means input output medium. It is also shortcut in IO medium. There is a terminal hardware can be divided into two parts. Means input output mediums, standard input device is keyboard. Means here keyboard which is used for input medium, and for output medium which is used for video screen, means monitor. Okay, these terminals are used for input, keyboard for input, and video RAM or monitor is used as a output medium. Okay, now there are two types of terminals. Dumb terminal and intelligent terminal. Dumb terminal and intelligent terminal, these two terminals. Now what is the difference between these two terminals? So let us see the features of this dumb terminal. A dumb terminal consists of a microprocessor on which small programs can run and limited amount of memory. In dumb terminal, processor is present. Means in dumb terminal, processor is present, but processor have small amount of memory, memory or space. Means in dumb terminal we can do small works because of small amount of memory. It is responsible for basic input and output characters. Means it can do only basic input output process. Just like a typing, just like a display. It is a basic input output process, not execute on this dumb terminal. Means in this dumb terminal can't processing any type of data. So here only typing is mentioned, okay, or display is mentioned. We can use this dumb terminal only for typing or display any type of data. It is called dumb because it does no processing on input characters. Means whatever input characters are coming, the dumb terminal cannot process that data. Whatever input character, the dumb terminal cannot process that data because of this limited amount of memory space is available on dumb terminal. Due to this limited amount of memory space, we can't do any execution on this dumb terminal. Understood, student? Now next is intelligent terminal. According to the name, means intelligent. According to the name, if you will see in intelligent terminal have powerful hardware, also software. Amount of memory space is maximum according to dumb terminal. See here, intelligent terminal has more powerful hardware and software. Okay, means in intelligent terminal have powerful hardware, also software. Amount of memory space is maximum according to dumb terminal. Here maximum amount of memory space is available, so input characters are processed or program are independently processed. Also program are processed, independently processed, carry out some processing on the input. See here, because of this more powerful amount of space. Understood, student? This is the difference between intelligent terminal and dumb terminal. Now next is video RAM. What is the meaning of this video RAM? RAM, random access memory. Okay, what is the meaning of video RAM? Which is used for video. Suppose I want to see video on screen. Suppose any program can be run, for that video RAM is necessary. Suppose I want to display any data on screen. For that screen, video RAM is necessary. For that, video RAM is necessary in our computer or laptop. Then where it is stored? Where it is stored? It is stored in terminal hardware. It is stored in terminal hardware. It should be stored basically the memory in terminal hardware. It should be stored in terminal hardware. Okay, student. Now next, any type of all characters stored in the video RAM are displayed on the screen by the video controller using display electronics. Using display electronics means suppose video or images can coming on the screen. Okay, for coming on the screen, then all characters stored in a RAM. Where it is seen? On screen. Where it is seen? On screen. Or who can be display it? Video controller. Who can be display it? Video controller. Okay, means through this video controller we can display all data. We can see all images, videos on screen. Okay, means any type of characters, means all images. Suppose you want to display on the screen, then characters can stored in RAM, and it is stored. It is seen on the screen, and where it is stored? It is through this video controller. Through this video controller. Next, all particular information are stored in video RAM. All particular information, attributes. Now you know this word of this attribute. This word is also coming in HTML chapter. Okay, so all information, particular information are stored in RAM. Means particular information means how is the image displayed. Everything about image means size, width, brightness, bold, or suppose text will be, take example of text. Then how will be display that text? Bold, underline, italic, like this. Okay, everything about image stored in video RAM. Video RAM consists of 2000 data bytes, 0 to 1999, because start from 0, so end is 1999, preceded by 2000 corresponding attribute bytes, as shown in following figure. See how video RAM consists of 2000 bytes. 2000 bytes. Suppose this is a screen. Okay, so on this screen 25 lines like this. Okay, 25 lines. Each line consists of 80 characters. Each line consists of 80 characters. So 25 lines into 80, it got 2000 characters for on screen. Okay, means student, video RAM consists of 2000 data bytes. We can store 2000 bytes. Also we can store 2000 attribute bytes. Both are in simultaneously. One data byte having one attribute bytes. Okay, see this monitor. On this monitor 25 lines for on monitor. Each line consists of 80 characters. So 25 into 80, 2000 characters display at a time. Means video RAM can display 2000 bytes at a time on screen. Understood, student? See this diagram. First column is attribute byte, second is data byte, next attribute data, like this up to 2000 bytes. Okay, now you are knowing about, this is a graphics card. This figure is for graphics card. Now you are knowing about graphic cards. Graphics card, suppose you want to big size of games, means for heavy images, for that graphics card will be used. Okay, heavy images, you can use graphics card. Graphics card resolution is better. Okay, so this is a diagram for this graphic card. How it will be displayed? first column is related to that actual data byte or attribute byte. Okay, means student, this video RAM was very earlier, means at starting. Video RAM means near about 15 years before. This video RAM about 15 years before. Now we are having enhanced video RAM. Okay, now in new generation enhanced video RAM, this video RAM is very before, means 15 years before. So 15 years before means only 80 characters will be displayed at a time on screen. But now new generation, new advanced technique will be displayed, so having enhanced video RAM will be updated. Now what do you meaning? This is a video RAM for monochrome. See here, I will write here monochrome IBM PC means starting monitor screen. Now next is this, see here, calculator also show here 25 lines, each line consists of 80 characters, so 25 into 80, 2000 characters. Now see, what do you mean by data byte? What do you mean by actual data byte? Data byte store how much? 2000 characters are stored in video RAM. 2000 characters are stored in video RAM. To display any specific character on screen at a specific position, all ASCII or EBCDIC code for that character is to move in video RAM. Now you know student, what is this ASCII or EBCDIC? Last year already seen this, what is the meaning of ASCII and EBCDIC? ASCII means American Standard Code Interchange Information, or EBCD means E means extended, BCD means binary coded decimal interchange code. Okay, these are the both code is used for data byte. Now what is the meaning of this ASCII? In this ASCII code, all types of numbering system, means hexadecimal system, octal, binary, BCD, all in one with decimal number. Okay, suppose you want to press A characters through keyboard. If you press A character, display on screen, but internal process is different. If A is pressed, what is the ASCII value of A? A is 65. Okay, A is 65 value for A. This is the ASCII value for A. If A is pressed, means computer only knows binary code. Computer only knows binary code. Computer don't know A, B, C, D or star or at percent sign, but computer only knows binary code. Suppose you entered A, then computer check the ASCII value for that character, that is 65. Then computer check the binary value of 65, means they got binary value of 65, it will be displayed on screen. Means suppose you can enter some SSVM character, then first that SSVM character convert this ASCII code, means this ASCII circuit, find the ASCII value for SSVM, then that SSVM ASCII value check the binary value for ASCII, and then it will be displayed on screen. For each character, for each special character, for each key, whatever available on keyboard, that each key having a ASCII value or EBCDIC value. If A press or B, what is the value of B? 66. What is the value of C? 67, like this. Okay, this is a ASCII value. First converted into ASCII, again that will be converted into binary, means this video RAM check the binary value for this A, and then it will be display original data on screen. This is the internal processing. This is known as data byte. Now next is attribute byte. Means each character can be displayed in which type? Each character can be displayed in which type? For example, underline, bold, italic, everything according to the picture, according to the images, according to the text, according to that character, what is the features of that character. When we club both data byte and attribute byte, then it will display on screen. It will be display on screen. What is the use of this attribute byte? Attribute byte character means each character display on screen in which format, some bold, underline, blinking, reverse video or images, suppose size of images. This is known as attribute, and this attribute byte and data byte club means both. When we club both data bytes and attribute byte, then it will be display on screen. Okay, student? Means in data byte stored binary number and attribute byte stored features. Okay, this is the difference between data byte and attribute byte. Understood, student? What is device driver? Device driver is a software program. Each device should be a separate program or separate CD for that. For install that CD, then you can do any type of working through this device driver. Where it is stored, that program installed in program file. Now video terminals or terminal IO. There is two types: dumb terminal, intelligent terminal. Dumb terminal just used for input and output. Okay, there is a limited amount of space. There is no execution in on dumb terminal. But intelligent terminal, any type of execution can we do on intelligent terminal because of maximum amount memory space is available. And data byte, video RAM, all type of data stored or display on video RAM. Video RAM means monochrome IBM's PC consists of 80 lines. Then each line consists of 80 characters. So 2000 characters display at a time on screen. This is very earlier PC monitor before 15 years before. So data byte and attribute byte. Data byte store the binary code and attribute byte store the features for that characters. Understood, student? Now this is the end of session 4. Thank you, student.